Magtitest tayo ng GTA 5 version 1.53, added 60 FPS unlock, and added mode menu. Dito nga sa mode menu, hindi na natin kailangan pumunta ng exploit host na merong mode menu selection ng GTA 5 para lang mag-activate ng mode. So nakadirect na yung mode menu dito sa game. Special thanks to Andrew 2007 and PlayStation Hacker United sa pagpatch ng 60 FPS and mode menu. According to PHU team post, nasa 60 FPS and up to 1440p ang resolution nito. Working siya sa PS5 na ang firmware ay 3.xx and up to 7.61 and PS4 Pro post-case stop for grip experience para sa mga naka PS5. Sa mga naka PS4 Fat at Slim, working din ang 60 FPS based on my test. Ang gamit kong unit sa pag-test ay PS4 Pro. So change resolution lang natin ng 1080p or 1440p.
Get down there! All right, everybody pays attention. No one gets hurt. Go! Open the door! They'll get worse than hurt! Hey! Come on!
So makikita natin dito sa pinakababa sa right side yung frame per seconds ay nag-run ng 60 FPS.
Come on! Hands behind your back.
Come on, mister. We're giving you everything you want.
Don't even think about it.
I'll do it. Oh, God.
Get in there!
Sit tight! I'll handle the blasting!
Don't blow yourself up! Pay attention!
What's
in the
he
back!
doing?
Come on!
He's gonna kill us in here.
Hurry!
Leave us alone. We didn't do shit to you.
All set! Phone it in!
I'm calling it!
All right, we gonna do this? Huh?
Show me the money!
Slow and steady, T. Slow and steady.
Oh! There it is!
We're
There's enough here for us all to enjoy.
Depends on how you look at it.
We're done here, let's go! Coming out, B!
give it up. I got him. I saw your face. I'll remember you.
Get 1,000 things every day. How about you make sure this is one of them?
I've seen his eyes. He's crazy.
It'll be quick.
Move tayo sa pag-mode menu. Tuturo ko sa inyo kung paano mag-activate ng mode. Press lang natin yung L3 at R3 para sa mode menu selection. Maraming options dito sa selection ng mode menu, kagaya ng self options, vehicle options, weapon options, teleportation, world options, rank options, money options, tunable options, map options, miss options. Mag-enjoy ka nga dito sa mode menu sa dami ng options na pwede mong pagpilian. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Kung may natutunan ka sa video na to, huwag kalimutang i-like at mag-subscribe at i-click ang notification bell para updated ka sa susunod kong mga tutorial. Kung may tanong ka o may gusto kang i-topic na i-cover ko next time, i-comment lang sa baba. At kung gusto mo panoorin ang iba nating tutorial, nasa description ng video ito